Hakasin jam manweng ya kajing na kajing Shlei Guwahati. Kalau dan kajing kran hapadeng ki menteri rangba na Meghalaya bat Assam, kata hapadeng Conrad ki sangma bat Himanta Biswasarma, haka artere gujaliu arja apusan. Haka baki larai ban Phah Peit Bniah ya ki dor satellite haka North Eastern Space Application Center, NISAC. Kumban syukurau bahawa Himanta hakitayo beladap ulah keno baka jingjia Shlei Guwahati kadai na kajing ot lum jing ot kendo ka bejur haki benta ka jela Meghalaya. Da ka papenpa ka jing sokhia Halor ka jing Shlei Guwahati menteri rangba ka jela Meghalaya ulah ong. Baka dan ka jing sokhia ru Halor ki kam kamai kaji ki nongsong snong ka jela ki bala ban lampat sa ka jing Shlei
Regarding the issue of the floods in Assam, it's a major concern. As we know that in the last many days and months also we have seen that flood has been an issue in Assam, and rain also is playing of course a very critical role in terms of climate change. So the challenges are much more than what was before, and hence it is important now that both the states must put their heads together and find a solution. While Assam faces a challenge of the floods that are coming in, Meghalaya also has got its concerns in terms of the different economic activities, livelihood activities, and overall economic growth, as mentioned by the Assam Chief Minister. And hence, how could we work together so that we are able to find a solution to minimize the impact of the flood in the city of Guwahati, and yet at the same time be able to address the different concerns that are there for the people of Meghalaya. We have decided to work together. We have decided to approach NISAC to do a detailed study in terms of the entire satellite imaging, whether it is of the different forest area, whether there's a different water flowing, whether it's the different areas of water logging. Once this entire detailed study is done in the next 3 months, we will then approach agencies like the IIT Roorkee to further then break that analysis into actual steps that we could take to find a solution that would be able to implement for both the states and be beneficial for both the states, vis-a-vis reduce the flood problems in Guwahati to a large extent, and at the same time take care of the concerns that are there for the state of Meghalaya, especially when it comes to the overall economic development. So I'm very happy with this way forward, and as always, we are all committed to make this.
Habatin, Peit bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut Peit ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi the office jo Commissionariat of Food Safety Shillong Meghalaya